Good morning, class. Today we're going to move on to a new unit. So we're moving on to Unit 7, and that is going to start talking about customary units of measurement. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do today is we're going to talk about what a cup, a pint, a quart, a half a gallon, and a gallon looks like. Okay, and so I have set up a station here so that you can look at this. Let me get it really fast and my papers keep falling off. So if you look here, I have set up this little station right here. So if we move over here, this is a cup. Okay, it's a glass that we drink out of every day. It is a cup. It is a smaller unit. Okay, the next bigger unit is a pint. So this here is a water bottle. Most of us have drinking a plastic water bottle before. This is a pint. Okay, and you can tell that a pint is bigger than a cup. Sorry, my cups keep falling over. Okay, moving on. This is a quart. Okay, now when you're looking at this, it looks about the same height as this, but I didn't have anything in my house that was a quart. But I did find that was a tall quart. I found one that was a wide quart. So when you're looking at this, we can compare it. If you look at the width difference, this one is wider than a pint. Okay, so this is a quart. And then we all should have some of these in our house, a half gallon of milk, and then a gallon of milk. Okay, so we're going to talk about these today. Okay, so now we're going to do some comparing of these. So I have a thing right here, and we're going to do each box one at a time. So the first box we're going to do is right up here. So you're going to take a cup, and to fill up a pint, you're going to need two cups to fill up a pint. So 2 cups make a pint. Okay? To fill up a quart, you're going to need double this. So double how many you have for a pint. So if it takes 2 of these to make a pint, you're going to need 4 of these to make a quart. Okay? Same thing with a half a gallon. If it's 2 cups for a pint, 4 cups for a quart, you're going to need double that, 8 cups to make half of a gallon. Okay? So by that order, how many cups do you think it's going to take to fill up a full gallon of milk? Think about it for a minute. I sure hope you said 16 cups, because double of 8 is 16. So you're going to need 16 of these to make a full gallon of milk. Okay? That's quite a lot. Okay, now let's do it in pints. So if I'm doing a pint, if I want to take pints and fill up a quart, a quart, I'm going to need 2 pints to equal 1 quart. So it's going to take 2 of these to fill up 1 of these. Okay, so now if you're thinking of that, it's the same concept as cups. You're going to double it to make half a gallon. So if it takes 2 pints to fill up a quart, it's going to take 4 pints to fill up half a gallon. Okay? So then going on that, how many pints would it take to fill up a gallon? I sure hope you said 8, because double of 4 is 8. So it's going to take 4 of these to fill up 1 of these. Okay? Okay, moving on to talking about different ones. So we kind of just said this for quarts. Looking at this, 2 of these are going to need to take to fill up this. So 2 quarts, 2 of these will take to fill up a half a gallon. So once again, we're doubling our numbers. So how many quarts do you think it's going to take to fill up a gallon? Double that 2, you're going to have 4. So it's going to take 4 of these to fill up 1 of these. Okay? And then all we have left is the half gallon into a gallon. Think about it. This is a half of a gallon. This is a gallon. How many is it going to take of these to fill up this? Well, if this is only half of a gallon, it's going to take 2. Okay, so 2 of these to equal this. Okay, that's the end of this part. If you have any questions, please rewatch this. The next one, we're going to be opening up to our math books, okay? I'll be back with you on the next video.